This is a Spanish for Public Library resource access tutorial. With the coming of a new year and the inordinate amount of time we have spent trapped in our homes lately, like me, you may have noticed many things that need to be replaced around your space. Family budgets are tight, and having the security of knowing you are spending your money on the best quality items for your needs is essential. This tutorial covers how to take advantage of your free access to the Consumer Reports magazine database from the comfort of your home. This digital database is a subscription provided to Spanish for Public Library patrons and the community through Alabama Virtual Library. Home access to Alabama Virtual Library is only available to residents of Alabama. Step 1 is to go to the Spanish for Public Library website. You can reach our website through our Facebook page, our Instagram, by Googling us, or by typing www.spanishfortpubliclibrary.org into your browser's address bar. If you're not a Spanish for Public Library cardholder, you can visit your local public library's website to find information on the resources available to you. This is our home page. We try to keep monthly closings and important news in a banner at the top of this page. You need only to scroll down this page or use the menu bar to find the information you're looking for on the site. Step 2 is to find the AVL OWL or text logo anywhere on the SFPL website. When you find one of these images, select the link by clicking on it with your mouse pointer or touching it if you are using a touchscreen device. Alabama Virtual Library provides ad-free, safe, and reliable information for all Alabama residents, 24/7, free of charge, funded by the state's Education Trust Fund. It primarily consists of online databases of magazine, journal, and newspaper articles grouped into sections for different types of research needs. We are using the All Resources section for our purposes. On this page is a large list of databases. At the top here is a keyword search bar to use if you're not sure which database contains the information you need. Fortunately, I know exactly where Consumer Reports can be accessed. This list is alphabetical. In the M's, you will find the Master File Premier database by EBSCO. Select the database by clicking on the text or on the image. This will bring you to AVL's database-specific search page. Instead of using this search bar for the entire database, let's narrow down our search to publications only by selecting that here. On this page, skip that top search bar and go directly to the publication-specific search bar. Type in Consumer Reports and hit the Enter key on your keyboard, or click on the Browse button to generate a list of results containing your search term. Here we have Consumer Reports, and right below the Annual Buying Guide. Let's select Consumer Reports. These are the details for this publication. Beside full text is the date range of editions available, and on the right-hand side of the screen is where you'll select the year and issue. Let's select this January 2021 issue. These are the individual article headings for this issue. Let's look at making smart devices safer. There's a PDF version and an HTML version available. Let's start with the HTML version. This version has only the text of the selected article. You can see there is a color photo intended to go with this article, but you'll not be able to access it on this page. To see images, you will need to go back up here and select the PDF version of this article. Full text PDF article versions contain scanned full color pages. Here we can see the article exactly as it appears in the printed version of the magazine, including the photo. Let's head back to our articles list so I can show you one more feature. We're going to select the HTML version again, and we're going to explore this Listen function. This little arrow controls a drop-down menu where you can select American, British, or Australian accented speech. Let's start with British.
Making smart devices safer. Full text. Section. In every issue.
This function not only reads aloud the text to you, but highlights the individual words as they're spoken. This function is wonderful for anyone with difficulty reading from a computer screen. Now Australian.
Making smart devices safer. Full text.
That one is my favorite.
Section. In every issue.
This can even be used as a tool for expanding the vocabulary of beginning and intermediate readers. If you're using this resource for school research purposes, you can click on this detailed record heading here and find more information pertaining directly to the article. You can also use this menu on the right-hand side to find the correct citation needed as per the instructions for your project. And that concludes this Consumer Reports Online Access tutorial. If you have any issues accessing this database, please feel free to contact a Spanish for Public Library staff member using the information listed on the Contact Us page at our website, www.spanishforpubliclibrary.org. We are happy to help in any way we can, or direct you to the proper department at Alabama Virtual Library for assistance. Okay, see you at the library.